de. Di kabdaw di aligi olye the ne bebehas ani Navajo laws. Akoko lesson 18 olyedo lesto the ne jigo na ntin the ne bazabe na ntin. Ako di bdahdi aligi konti behas ani olyehegi dole. Navajo Nation laws hit bansa kesto hit hat big echo hotalie. Traditional law, customary law, natural law, common law. Okay, so we've created we already talked about executive, legislative, judicial. Now we talk about Navajo laws, kind of like how things began is what we're going to talk about. Okay, let's go down to our first one. Dene or Diyin, holy. Diyin, it's ade behas ani sa. Dene behas ani ete. So Diyin behas Diyin bits ade means this is referring to the net traditional law. Diyin behas an bits ade means from. Behas ani. Diyin bits ade means from the holy people. So we'll talk about that. That's what one is called Navajo laws. The net abe benat ani in the lato. In this is said that people will choose their own leaders. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The yen but the nebits ade the yen the nebits ade behas ani as dot the yen behas ani there. Another one is called the customary law. What is that? The net abebenantin holon dolesh. Okay, here we go. Abebenantin holon dolesh right there. The net abebenantin holon do. Nantin holon go yenda hin dole. Okay, so the net abebenantin, their own teachings, holon go, it exists. Yenda hin tin. They will teach one another. Do future, they will do this. So basically, it'd be laws that come from holy people, and that the people will follow what the holy people say, how to do this and that. Okay. Next one is called Nahasando Yatishkishbitsande Behas Ani. Astot the never Behas Ani at. Okay, so I think this one's Bebe Nahazani. Okay, there's many different teachings, right? Different laws. So they call it natural law. And a connet to a den con nishchi this a connet water a den light con fire nishchi and this donald loshi that the yingo. In this, you learn about water, light, fire, air, mountains, animals. In a holy way, you will learn. Okay. So the last one is the law called Diyin Hokat the Behas Ani, Ashtotsa Behas Ani. One is called the common law. What does that mean? The net man will make their own laws. People will make their own laws. The net or the net has ani benantin big echo either. Okay. That I think that should be all the other teachings, yeah, all the other Navajo laws will be used to make up. Man can make up their own laws, their own teachings, and they will make, but they will do it according to the other Navajo laws. Okay, that's what we'll do. Then we'll go through and do pass offs, and then we'll go down to where it says teach team creation. So that's kind of cool. Huh? I'll see you in class.